Hi friends, I'm Yuli Unicorn. We've made a short video for you to show you some of the different points that can be used when doing tapping. EFT, Emotional Freedom Technique. You can see it's quite easy to do, and it can be very helpful if you're feeling sad or tired, or even if you're in a happy mood. We can say positive affirmations or other words that we might feel like saying about how we're feeling as we tap on each point. Have a look. Karate chop point. Inner eyebrow point. Temple point. Under eye point. Under nose point. Chin point, the little dip between your bottom lip and chin. Collarbone point. Side point. And the crown point, top of head. So, now that you know the points, how about practicing with a guided tapping session? Head over to our YouTube channel and you'll find several videos that you can tap along with. If you're already watching our channel, look for the Easy Guided Tapping Sessions playlist. Bye for now.